Okay, tapusin na natin to. Nabubagot na ako. Di sige nakakauti. Tsaka antok na ako. So, ayun. Yeah, updates. Challenges. Madami. Kasi, um, wala akong background sa ano, sa business. Yeah, like what I've said, I'm just taking it one step at a time. But when it comes to managing the studio, maliit lang to ng unit because my work before, I'm managing talagang big scale of manufacturing. So this is easy for me to ano to manage kasi ganun ako trained from my previous job. So yeah, and then yeah, yung corporate ko na experiences for about 12 years. Sales, manufacturing, account management, na-apply ko dito. Kaya medyo, ano ako, somewhat by numbers, meron ako talagang proseso. And I apply it here. So, it's easier for me. Yun nga, ang ano ko lang, ang challenge ko lang is to manage the people at saka the business. But I'm learning naman paunti-unti. So, yep, if I'll go back dun sa ano ko, mag magte 10th year na ako nagpa-practice ng ceramics on 2027 kasi nag-start ako ng 2017. So parang tapos ito very timely din na nung nag-appear yung video. Baka kailangan ko palang mag-update, mag-live update. So para at least mabalikan ko ulit ito. Ano yung nangyari na sa akin after 5 years from the time I left off from the training program. So yun, malaki ang tulong sa akin yung training program. So nagkaroon ako ng, well, it's our second studio na dun sa Tagaytay. I think I'm doing good. Um, uh, ano lang kasi, ang approach ko talaga kasi, ang model kasi talaga nito, more of talagang community-based not our consumer-based. Kaya talagang very private yung setup. 1:1, 1:2 kind of learning, something like that. Or 4:1 for the hand building for instructor to student ratio. I don't want really to cater big ones unless it's a collaboration or offsite, something like that. So, ayun, of course, kailangan rin naman kumite yung studio, hindi naman always give ng give. So, we just need to be practical din kasi this is also my lifestyle. This is my work. Yeah, at the same time, buhay ko rin siya. So, ayun, challenges. Ah, madami. At to be honest, madami. Tsaka heartbreaking every time na nawawalan ako ng mga ka-collaborate or katrabaho. Masakit sa akin para ako nakikipag-break. Para ako silang jowa, alam mo yun. So, yeah, studio assistant or, you know, anyone na talagang nakatrabaho ko din dito sa studio. Masakit siya for me. Um, I value I value commitment, I value time, I value as well relationship. Kapag nagbigay talaga ako ng oras at saka ng attention, talagang I give 100% of my time. But once ma-break yung trust na yun, you won't be able to go back. Hindi ko paano ba yun? Uh, I can do civil. Yep. I practice work ethics. Medyo critical ako dyan pagdating sa professionalism tsaka yung work ethics. Um, yep. Uh, yes, I can treat people na uh, hindi naging maganda yung separation um, in a civil way. But we cannot do the same work again. Parang ganun. Yeah, I'll give you respect as an individual. Pero pagdating sa trabaho, no na. So, ayun, natutunan ko na rin mag-say no. I also learned how to manage my expectations. Also, to give them proper expectations as well. So, ayun. Uh, yeah, nakafocus ako masyado sa pagmamanage itong studio. Once in a while, I get commissions, pero I'm very picky. Talagang inuusisa ko muna kung talagang naka-align ba tong project na to sa akin. Kasi, yun nga, I'm not here to compete. Wala akong ganyong wala akong ganyong mindset. Um, Nag-accept ako ng work because I love to do it. I love you know, the idea, the concept, or even the story behind it. Kung aligned kami at saka mag-meet naman halfway yung konsepto, why not? Pero para ipilit sa akin yung isang no. Parang I don't want to spend that much of energy for that. Mayroong ibang tao para doon. So, ayun. When it comes to, madami nagtatanong naman sa akin sa kailan ko mag-exhibit. Hindi ko alam, to be honest. Madami nang nag-offer na nag-ask sa akin, mag-exhibit ka ba? I don't think that in store for me anytime soon. Ang aking plan ngayon is more of talagang building the community, strengthening the community. Makikita nyo naman siguro dun sa mga initiatives na pre-provide ng studio, talagang more of nasa community-led siya. Building the community where we can create in a very safe space. Ang naniniwala kasi ako na kahit anong galing mo, kahit anong galing ko, if meron man akong ganun, kung wala tayong safe space to create, it won't work. So parang, as for me, ang nakikita ko kasi dun is, since I already have that skill, and na-empower naman ako in a very unique way from Japan. So, maybe I could share it as well to empower other people. But, even if you're empowering kasi other people, kailangan meron kasi silang environment saan nila yun gagamitin. Kasi magiging useless yung tinuro mo kung hindi naman siya ma-apply, walang application. So kaya yung yung system na somewhat I want to integrate again and again is parang try ng methods, nag-gather ako ng data, tapos pinag-aaralan ko siya, ano yung mas maganda para sa susunod na matuturuan ko, or maybe hindi kasi yan makikinabang ang generation ko ngayon. Ang makikinabang kasi yung susunod na generation. Kumbaga, piniprepare natin yung environment nung susunod na generation. Yun kasi yung nangyari from last time kaya nawala ang pottery. So, kumbaga, siguro I think hindi siya na-prepare na maayos para masustain yung ganitong klaseng art, yung craftsmanship. So, kaya ako medyo I'm so aggressive when it comes to pagsulong ng ganitong klaseng kultura. Supportive, open-minded, acknowledging, and accepting. So, yeah, and that's what we need right now. Pag minsan may iniisip ako, hindi hindi na talaga ako nagfe-Facebook kasi nadidistract yung focus ko with all of the ideas that I'm implementing or trying. I don't want to have yung mga factors na naka-affect dun. If I'll execute it, I will execute it based from siguro experiences ko and how I believe for that certain program to work. So, yep. So, ayun, kailangan mo lang siguro ng mga right people around you to help you to, execute it or establish that. So, ayun. Yeah, nandun na tayo sa programs and initiatives.